rice farm. All these ones have been attended to, but this is a new rice that is to be harvested. So I just want to show you, although it's a small farm, but I just want to show you how the harvesting is done using what we call a sickle. It's a matured rice. When it's matured like this, it's usually like this, brown and dried. So you can see how the rice is and how the man is harvesting it using the sickle, a sharp one. So I will take you through all the processes involved from harvesting to when we will get the final end product of the common rice you eat. Oryza sativa belongs to the family Gramineae or Poaceae because it's a grass. So your rice and every other grass that animals eat is the same family. Even sorghum bicolor, sugarcane, Saccharum officinarum, they all belong to the family of Poaceae and Gramineae. So this is where rice is being harvested using a sickle.